To sign up for a new iHoy Captain account, open the iHoy Captain app. The app asks for a few permissions to offer you the best experience. Next, enter your personal and boat details. If you just want to use iHoy Map, you can skip the boat information. Once everything is set, you're all set to start your journey with iHoy Captain. To pair your iHoy Captain autopilot with your phone or tablet, start by plugging your iHoy Captain into a 12-volt socket. Then, turn on the power switch. When the top LED flashes blue, your device is ready to connect. Open the app and tap the Add Device button. Then tap Connect. Once connected, the top LED will stop flashing and remain solid blue. Enter a name for your device, then tap Next to finish pairing. After the initial pairing, iHoy Captain will automatically connect to your phone or tablet whenever you open the app. In the Devices tab, the circle next to the device name shows the connection status. A red circle means the device is disconnected, and a green circle means it's connected.